Welcome to My Partner 24/7 provided by BayCoast Insurance. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to easily issue a certificate of insurance. Let's dive in and make managing your account simple and secure. On the My Partner 24/7 home screen, the navigation bar is positioned on the left side. It provides easy access to features and sections with a simple click. Additionally, the home screen includes convenient navigation buttons for quicker access to specific areas, such as issuing a certificate. Click on Issue a Certificate. In your template selection list, you will find your certificates of insurance. Click on the certificate name to issue or reissue. If you are issuing or reissuing a certificate to a holder already in your list, simply click on the holder's name. This will bring you to the holder's details page. After reviewing the details, click on Issue Certificate. Your certificate has been issued. Click on Open Certificate to download a copy for your records. If you need to issue another certificate, click on Issue Another Certificate. If you are issuing a certificate to a new holder, click on Add Holder. On the Add Holder page, you will enter in the holder information. Next, we will make the selections for additional insured and waiver of subrogation status. Simply click the drop-down menu to the right of each option and select Yes or No. If there are any endorsements, click on View Edit. The endorsements window will open, displaying your endorsements. You can view them by clicking View next to the endorsement name. Select the appropriate endorsement and click Save. Next, you will enter in the description of operations. This is done by clicking on Lookup. After clicking on Lookup, the description of operations list will be displayed. Click on the title of the description you wish to use, and it will be added. Lastly, you will enter the recipient information. This includes the attention line, a pre-filled subject, a message, and whether you would like to email the current certificate or the renewal certificate, along with the recipient's email address. Once everything has been entered, click on Issue Certificate. Your certificate has been issued. Click on Open Certificate to download a copy for your records. If you need to issue another certificate, click on Issue Another Certificate. That's it! You now know how to manage your account anytime, anywhere with BayCoast Insurance My Partner 24/7. If you haven't done so already, download the BayCoast Insurance My Partner 24/7 mobile app. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, managing your account has never been easier. Thank you for watching.